Welcome to CoNexion 2025. You are in for 3 unforgettable days of learning, laughter, and leveling up. Be present, be curious, be bold.
Nexion 2025!
Nexion isn't just a travel agency or even a host agency. We are a family. We're a community that believes in each other.
CoNexion 2025!
30 years of Nexion. That's 3 decades of growth, transformation, and impact.
This CoNexion is going to be epic. CoNexion 2025! CoNexion 2025!
We believe in the power of partnerships because success is never a solo act. It's built through collaboration, connection, and shared commitment. So let's make this our best CoNexion yet. Let's honor our past, celebrate our present, and boldly shape our future together. Thanks for being here, and thanks for being part of this journey. Now let's go make some CoNexion magic. Good for you?
Nexion 2025!
Decades of helping independent advisors grow their businesses. This is not just a milestone. It's a testament to the strength of our industry, to the power of partnerships, and the belief that we're always stronger together.
CoNexion 2025! Woo!
of building something truly special. You're not just part of this industry's history, you are the architects of its future. Our journey isn't a comeback, it's a continuation, and the next chapter, it's being written right now by all of you. Happy 30th anniversary, Nexion!
Happy 30th anniversary!